Tired of paying crazy per image credits for AI art generators that censor your activity and limit your resolution? Well, today I'm actually going to be showing you how you can build your own private, completely unrestricted AI image studio that you can actually access from any device. Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be diving down into what is known as hosting. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, the AI here, it is top of the line, and you definitely do not want to miss out on this opportunity. Okay, now if you have not, be sure to use the discount code down below. It's going to be AI Forge, and this is going to allow you to get 10% off of the annual plans. All right, so first things first, you guys are going to see over here we have what is known as my account. So if you have not, be sure to sign up, log in, and then go to your account. All right, and this is going to be the dashboard. You guys will see right here we have websites, domains, horizons, emails, reach, VPS, which we'll talk about here in just a few moments. Is going to be very important, especially whenever it comes to using their terminal. Not only that, you guys will see right here we have what is known as more services. All right, so we have what is known as AI tools. Click on that, and we're actually going to check out this image generator. I'm going to tell you guys right now, it is super fast. All you have to do is put some kind of text that you would like into the prompt. So for example, we're going to put a highly detailed cinematic cyberpunk cityscape at night, neon reflections and puddles. We're going to do 8K resolution, photorealistic Unreal Engine 5. All right. And you guys will see right here results. I mean, this literally generates probably in less than about 15 to 30 seconds. All right. So boom, there it is. You can download these. You can actually check them out. Right. Not only that, you can see right here, we do have other AI tools as well. So background remover, we got image upscaler. We even have attention heat map. So as you guys saw for these AI tools, I mean, there's a lot. They even have what is known as QR generator, content generator, logo maker, a lot of different tools here. Now, as you guys heard me mention earlier, VPSs. Now, these are very important. And if we actually take a look on the main part of the website, you guys are going to see right here, we do have what is known as services, right? We do have what is known as the VPS hosting. But I need you guys to understand that VPSs, these are perfect. You do not need to buy a $3,000 graphics card for your home computer. You can actually run everything on a powerful remote servers, okay? Now, whenever it comes to hosting your VPS, you guys, it is reliable. It has a high performance engine. And technically, you guys, this is great, especially for any type of setup. So I want you guys to understand, we are talking about top tier hardware, including AMD, EPYC processors, NVMe, SSD storage, ensuring that you have fast data processing. So if we actually take a look here, we have what is known as services, right? I clicked there, I went right here to what is known as VPS hosting, and you guys will see we have different KVMs. They also have what is known as KVM4, and then they also have what is known as KVM8, right? So obviously this is going to be very important, especially if you're looking to maximize your performance. All right. So if you choose a plan, for example, let's go ahead and choose this plan right here. So KVM4, we're actually going to be able to put that discount code. All right. So you guys can see right here, obviously you have your period, right? And you guys can see right here, have a coupon code. And if you want that 10% off discount, you're going to be able to put in AI Forge. All right. So you guys can see that right here. Okay. AI Forge, you just basically want to apply that, and that is all you have to do. You guys can see right here, we have what is known as Cody. Now, Cody is very important. Why? Well, this is the AI assistant. Okay. Now, this kind of correlates with what I was talking about for the VPSs, because we're actually going to be using the terminal. So let's actually go to that really quick. We're going to go to our VPS. You can see right here, we have a KVM2. Over here, we're going to be able to go to what is known as manage. And you guys can see right here, we have what is known as the Docker manager. So we have a lot of important things here. And then up here, we have terminal. This is basically where you put codes. All right. Right here, we have what is known as Cody. You can actually give Cody any type of task. So this is technically our VPS AI assistant, right? Cody. We're going to generate the exact Docker commands needed for ComfyUI. So in this case, you guys can see right here, provide the terminal commands to install Docker and run a standard stable diffusion web UI container on what is known as Ubuntu 22.04. I gave the command to Cody. If you're starting with a fresh, right, instance, here are the standard commands to get Docker ready and launch a stable diffusion container. So if we actually take a look here, you guys can see we can install Docker But you guys can see right here, the most common way to run is using a pre-configured image like, well, right there, okay? The fact that Kodi is providing this, we can now actually enter all these codes into their terminal. I mean, this is changing the game as mentioned. We're talking about you could choose a server location that's closest to you for ultra low latency, especially when interacting with your AI tools. Not only that, you guys, but hosting your VPSs, they actually give you the raw compute power, unmetered bandwidth, and complete freedom to run unrestricted AI image models privately. You can literally handle everything right here in Hostinger. It will do all the work for you. Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure to stop paying for credits and start actually owning your own limitless AI studio. Click the link in the description and use code AIForge at checkout to get 10% off your Hostinger VPS. Be sure to leave a comment. Tell me what you think. How do you feel? Smash that like button. Smash that subscribe button. And guess what? We'll see you in the next video.